Hello PROBAT friends, my name is Carsten Ehling and I'm happy to welcome you to something very special. Therefore, I would like to take you on a little journey. We are standing here in the immediate neighborhood of our museum. And next to me are our first industrial roasters. These roasters are considered as a symbol and a basis for all subsequent roasting technologies. Why do I tell you that and what does that mean? We have been accompanying this market for a long time and describe ourselves as a family business with a long tradition. However, this does not mean that we are resting on our laurels. We have made it our business to develop and optimize coffee roasting every day. Please follow me now to find out how the journey continues. For your information, the chat is now open. Feel free to ask questions. We are now on our way to the R&D center. The R&D center is specially created for our customers or every interested party who wants to try out our products or wants to see it. Especially in these times where a lot of online meetings have taken place, it would be nice to visit Emmerich and to keep an eye on our products. We want to offer a solution for everyone who wants to roast coffee. And therefore we have a big range of products that meet these requirements. Such as our shop roasters, which are available from a batch size from 1 kilogram up to 25 kilogram. If you want to increase your production afterwards, there are some special solutions with the P60 or the PX120. For a long time, the NEPTUNE 1500 was the machine for the next step in production expansion. But as we kept an eye continuous on the market, we realized that there is definitely a need for a machine between a 500 kilogram and a 1500 kilogram machine. We at PROBAT would like to introduce to you today our newest drum roasting machine, the NEPTUNE 1000. Of course, this machine is or has been not only developed because of capacity reasons, but with the latest technology behind. This kind of development can never be an individual achievement, and therefore we need an entire team and team performance. For that, I would like to welcome Mark Weimer from our product management and Nico Möder from our R&D department, who are representative for the entire team and will give exciting insights of the project process and the machine itself. So Mark, how did you come to the decision to develop such a machine?
Well, the process of planning a product is a very complex procedure and it follows a holistic approach. So the overall target is to provide a machine, a product that satisfies our customers by 100%. And we at PROBAT are always looking for market potentials to improve ourselves, but even more to satisfy our customers. And with respect to the NEPTUNE series, a portfolio analysis shows that there are uncovered market segments. In detail, the NEPTUNE 1500 provides a capacity of 1500 kilogram per hour, and it is not suitable for customers who needs a lower demand or have a lower demand. So our aim is to adjust the NEPTUNE series according to the capacities of the Tangential Roaster series Jupiter to provide our customers more flexibility to select the right drum roaster suitable for their individual demands. And of course, the feedback from our customers also show that there is a growing demand for the 1000 kilogram drum roaster segment. So especially in Southern Europe, where we have another customer characteristic than, for example, in Middle Europe. So in general, we also want to provide a machine, a roaster that is suitable for customers who wants to develop towards an industrial roastery.
That sounds like a lot of market research. Thank you for that, Mark. What makes this machine, the Neptune 1000, so special?
What I have just mentioned before it sounds very, very simple, but for us, the Neptune 1000 is not only a 1,000 kilogram roaster. It is a symbiosis of what we have learned and what we have developed over decades. And it combines the entire know-how from PROBAT's passion for coffee and future-oriented technology. So all this, not only the market requirements, but also the variety of technological features or solutions are combined in a catalog of requirements. And this is the basis for us to be able to present this amazing machine to you today. So we have placed particular value on an easy way of commissioning and a simple way of servicing the machine. These have been the most pain points or the valuable pain points for our customers. And the advantage is now to reduce the downtime to a minimum. And furthermore, we have integrated our control suite Pilot 2020 with its entire system architecture, and we scaled it up now from the PX120 to an industrial roaster. And furthermore, we wanted to achieve a high level of modularity and flexibility for our customers to configure the Neptune 1000 to meet their individual demands. So the Neptune 1000 can be now configured and with optional features, like, for example, the ProFortis system, our powerful air purification system, or, for example, the ProAir system to reduce the odors from the cooling exhaust air, and, of course, our unique color measurement system, color control. So some important features I've mentioned, but some important features are also located inside the machine, and they are not obvious for everyone. So in many areas, we have broken new grounds in the constructive elaboration, and we have further developed relevant components. And for this reason, for us, the Neptune 1000 is not only a technical advance from the product point of view, but it's also fully adapted to internal processes. And for that reason, we can offer excellent value for a very competitive level of money.
I can feel you are very satisfied with that. So my next question is, how do you measure the success of such a project in the view of product management?
Yeah. Well, regarding the project, basically all predefined requirements have been fully and successfully integrated into the Neptune, so we did a quite good job. Regarding the product, we are talking about a new product, and that is presented today, and it will be available from today on. So unfortunately, we do not have any KPIs from the market. But we received tremendous inquiries for this specific 1,000 kilogram roaster. And so we at PROBAT, we are convinced that the Neptune 1000 will be another success in PROBAT's history. And we are very happy to present this machine to you today, and now to be able to serve the segment for the 1,000 kilogram drum roaster.
Yeah, thank you, Mark, for these insights in a very strategic way. Now I would like to welcome Nico Möde. Nico, now welcome, and it's your turn. Yeah, my first question to you is, how do you approach a development project like this?
Carsten, this is a very good question. Really, very good question. I think with a big curiosity and passion. Yeah, to start a project, it is really important to get an overview. And it is even more important to keep the overview all the time. And I'm very happy because this is clearly regulated at PROBAT, and this is very important for compliance with quality standards and yeah, to have a long-term satisfaction with the customers.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that. Of course, this is a big project, and I think a lot of departments are involved. So what were the biggest challenges?
Yeah, you know, I think the biggest challenge was, with the Neptune 1000, to rethink things, to ask the question, what can we do differently? And always with having in mind to reach the main goal, to make customers happy. Yeah, I think that was the biggest question and challenge. Yeah, but come on, let's talk about the Neptune 1000, okay?
Yeah, we should do.
Yeah. Here we have put the focus on hygienic concept and sustainability and flexibility. I will show you something. Hygienic concept stands for easy maintenance, good accessibility, and yes, of course, to have reducing the downtime. For example, we change the position from the engine here of the cooling sieve from the bottom to the top. This allows us now, here you can see the white inspection opening, allows us now to have a better cleaning situation and maintenance situation. That is great for the operator. Drum shaft. The front and the rear bearings were easier to relubricate because now you have more the accessibility to do the work. Here, we have also here realized the white inspection openings. As you can see, you have enough space, and also it is on the upper side. You have enough space to clean and to reach nearly everything. And of course, if you're careful with your machine, you can reduce the downtime. These are only a few examples from hygienic concept, but important is that we achieve this point. Of course, to reduce downtimes for the customer is at a big benefit with a better accessibility and easy of maintenance. Yeah, and so you have the possibility to increase the maximum on system availability. Sustainability, it is a very important keyword. You know, if you have a roasting process, you create a lot of dust, odor, and particles. Here we have a solution with our high efficiency cyclone system. Yeah. If you use it, and here is it in standard implemented, you have optimized particle separation, you have a reduced dust deposits, and improved cleaning results. Flexibility. The Neptune 1000 has an output range from 1,000 kilogram with a maximum batch size of 220 kilogram. We extended the roasting time from 6 to 20 minutes. We shortened the cooling time, for example, 5 minutes. And on top, all drives are equipped with a frequency converter. That means you have the possibility to control all drives for the drum speed, for the air temperature, for the roasting air temperature, and also for the volume, etc. Yeah, with this development, we assure a maximum on flexibility and in creating recipes. Yes, and thus the aroma development of different coffee types. And everything is implemented in our wonderful pilot Roaster 2020, where you have a really good overview, and the operator and the customer in the end will be happy with this solution for more process safety and user friendliness.
Thank you, Nico. There are a lot of features, and I think it is such a big project that lasts a long time. So my next question is there something you are particularly proud of?
Yes, of course, I'm proud of that we have put our heads together. We came to a solution with really great ideas because we have a great team, we have great people here with amazing knowledge. And of course, I'm proud to be part of PROBAT for this new development, NEPTUNE 1000.
Very good. Me too. I have, another question is, this is a project, I think there were some ups and downs and maybe something went wrong or right. Is there something you would do different the next time?
Yeah, of course. You have always some issues and some challenges. That's normal in project work because project work is so dynamic. But we learned from previous projects, and as I explained, we have a really good teamwork, and it's also clearly regulated at PROBAT. So we have standards that we have to fulfill, but always in mind to rethink things, to ask the question, what can we do differently, but to meet the customer benefits and so on. We have here an open culture at PROBAT, and I'm very proud to be part of it. Yeah, what can I say? The technology is moving forward, but PROBAT doesn't stop.
Okay, thank you, Nico.
Thank you.
Now, that was Mark Weimer and Nico Möde, who were involved in the process and the project itself. But of course, there are a lot of more people involved, and therefore we have a short clip. And yes, after that, we will see us here together to the question and answer session. Therefore, we collected before some questions, but the chat is open. Feel free to ask questions and enjoy the video. Stay tuned.
Hello, I'm Nico. I'm a team member of PROBAT.
Mein Name ist Marco Petri. Ich bin Area Sales Manager für den Bereich Deutschland.
Hi, I'm Christiane. I'm working with the PROBAT Marketing Team.
Hallo, ich bin Peter Heinke, bin hier im Bereich der Verfahrenstechnik tätig und in dem Projekt verantwortlich für die Auslegung.
Hi, I'm Oliver. I'm Head of Product Management at PROBAT, and I like the NEPTUNE 1000 a lot.
I work as a development project manager. You know, development projects are always, with a lot of dynamic, and of course we have to rethink a lot of things, and always new obstacles are coming up. And this is exactly the reason why I work for PROBAT, because I love to work with good colleagues and we solve and overcome those kind of obstacles together.
Ja, und was hat mir am besten gefallen bei dem Projekt NEPTUNE 1000? Das war eigentlich die Zusammenarbeit im Team. Das Team hat super zusammen harmoniert und auch super das Projekt immer wieder vorangetrieben.
Hello, my name is Leon Hemmers. I'm working in project engineering. My responsibility in the project of the NEPTUNE 1000 was the internal planning, layout planning of the roster. And it was very interesting because every component comes together in my department. I'm planning with all the components that are new in the new NEPTUNE series. And what was very inspiring was the teamwork in the new development.
For the NEPTUNE, I was involved in all the events that are going on, especially the digital launch, and here we are.
Für mich jetzt als Herausforderung oder für uns als Team die Herausforderung ging es vor allen Dingen einen breiten Bereich an Röstleistungen und optimiertes Verfahren zu kreieren.
Hallo, ich bin Christopher Lübe, ich arbeite bei der Firma PROBAT in Emmerich, bin in der Arbeitsvorbereitung tätig und habe das Projekt NEPTUNE 1000 mit begleitet und habe da mit der Fertigung in enger Zusammenarbeit im Vorhinein geprüft, welche Teile wir hier wie fertigen können, beziehungsweise welche Teile wir noch verbessern können. Immer in enger Zusammenarbeit mit der Fertigung Und dort haben wir eigentlich sehr engen, guten Kontakt mit, um dann halt das Entwicklungsprojekt voranzutreiben.
My name is Carsten Ehling and I'm an area sales manager at PROBAT. I was in the project team of the NEPTUNE 1000 and I really liked the team spirit and the performance during the whole project. And now I'm very happy that we have another great roaster opportunity for our customers.
Hi, ich bin Christian, ich arbeite im Produktmanagement bei PROBAT. Meine Hauptaufgabe war die Kalkulation der Maschine. Ich arbeite auch in der Preisbildung. Sehr viel Spaß gemacht hat mir das Arbeiten im Team und die sehr schöne Zusammenarbeit gemacht.
Ja, hallo, ich bin Wolfgang Lange. Ich bin hier im Rosterbau zuständig für die Konstruktion von Rostern und Kühlsieben. Und von daher habe ich auch bei der neuen NEPTUNE 1000 halt Roster und Kühlsieb konstruiert. Ist halt immer wieder spannend, aus den Anforderungen der einzelnen Fachabteilungen dann halt was Neues entstehen zu lassen.
Mein Name ist Michael Dahm, ich bin seit 38 Jahren bei den PROBAT-Werken in Emmerich, bin der Leiter des Technikums und habe hier in diesem Bereich die neue NEPTUNE 1000 in Betrieb genommen. Mit einem klasse Team. Die Herausforderung war, alle technischen Änderungen umzusetzen, Fehler zu korrigieren und den Zeitrahmen einzuhalten.
It was such an amazing piece of work, also in cooperation with project management. And I'm eager to see it first running at a customer.
I hope you enjoyed the video. I will first enjoy a cup of coffee now. I hope it's okay for you. Okay. Yes, we have now, or I want to add now some sales related topics. First of all, of course, the price of the machine, but therefore I cannot say any price. As you heard before, the machine is very modular and you have a lot of features and options. And yeah, so the customer has a lot of opportunities to configure this kind of machine. So the price is depending. But what I can say is that it's very attractive and competitive. Another topic I want to talk about is the availability of the machine. Therefore, I can say the machine is available from now on. So if you have questions or inquiries, send them to us. And the last one is some technical information. We have, of course, the most information on our homepage. But also, if you want further information about data, about emissions or any layouts or whatever you want, we can provide it to you. Just feel free to contact us, and we will give you everything you want. Okay. That is from my side for the sales-related topics.
Yeah, very good. So I have an idea. Come on. Markus, come with me. I will show you something. Hopefully you're fit enough to follow me. Okay, that looks good. Come with me. I will show you some more details. Here we are at the back side. And yeah, what topic is, of course, that we have on the back side from the roaster in an inspection opening. We have here a larger one, so that makes possible for better accessibility, as I explained, and also you have a better maintenance situation, of course. And yes, of course, most importantly, reducing downtime. What you can see is the burner on the back side. Here you have also the possibility to put the burner in a special or in a separate room, you know. You have the possibility to make it as an external version, because if you need it, sometimes it could be, but it's really a good feature to have this engine on the outside maybe. Come on, Markus, I see you are fit enough to follow me. I will show you also this wonderful Pilot Roaster 2020. As I explained, it is a really intuitive model. what I like in the system, if you have if you have an older operator or a younger guy, no problem. This is very intuitive and helps in quick time to understand the system. I like it. I love it. What you can see here is the hopper on the right side, the roaster here, the cyclone, and yes, of course, you have also the possibility to see the recipes and some, it shows you nearly everything in a good, easy way, so you have the possibility to handle it very easy. Yeah, but if you need further information, go to the web page and something like that, and take a look inside. Very good information to help you. Okay, we go back.
Yeah, Carsten, I guess this will be a question that you need to answer now very often, because today we have launched the NEPTUNE 1000, and many of our customers, I guess, will ask himself, what is the difference between the NEPTUNE 1000 and, for example, the Jupiter 1000? So, in general, coffee is a natural product. So, many parameters have an impact on this product and will have an impact on the final product at the end. And comparing the NEPTUNE with the Jupiter roasting system, they are completely different, because the NEPTUNE is a drum roaster system and the Jupiter is a tangential roaster system. And in detail, the NEPTUNE requires a lower volume air, and therefore you can have a longer roasting time per batch. And our Jupiter series offers then or requires a lower, a higher volume air, and the result is that we will have reduced roasting time per batch. So this is all in all the most important difference between those machines. But if you don't know which machine you want to purchase in future, so we invite you come to Emmerich. Let us know about your plans. Keep some raw beans with you, and we will find, so our sales team will find a suitable roaster for you. We are happy if you contact us. And one important question from the product management is always, what is the future of PROBAT? What is the future of the portfolio of the products? And as usual, you know PROBAT as a very innovative and future-oriented company, and we will keep that, of course, and we will focus on both sectors. So on the one hand, the shop-related topics for the shop roaster systems, and on the other hand, the industrial solutions. So the main focus will be in future for us sustainability and digitalization. So we will be the pacemaker for the coffee industry. And I can give you an example regarding the topic sustainability, environmentally friendly. Since a long time, we are looking for ways to get rid of the gas. And so we are looking for alternative fuels. And I guess we have found the first solution for that in the electrical, let's say burner. But now we are working on another solution, and this solution will be hydrogen. So looking at the current market situation around energy, from my point of view, and I guess this is the opinion from all others at PROBAT, we are on the right track. So I can already announce today that hydrogen will be an important factor for us in future, and we are looking forward to the Connecting Market session in September this year in Emmerich. And we will then release our first hydrogen roaster.
Okay, I think that was it from our side. We will now come to an end. I can say I had a lot of fun. What about you?
Me too, perfect.
Yeah, Nico?
It was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I think so too. I have another announcement for the 18th of August. There will start another product launch of our shop roaster series. So if you want, you can join that, of course, as well. And I have to say thank you for participating at our NEPTUNE 1000 launch. Again, if you have questions afterwards, contact us and we will give you an answer. Thank you. Ja, sauber, Jungs.